charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 and hence. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Welcome to the Court of Justice.
Court is calling 2023 CR 3992, State of Texas versus Aaron's David Salazar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Kelly Piddle.
And are you Aaron David Salazar?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application in this case?
Nope.
All right. Mr. Salazar, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Salazar, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 and hence? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Salazar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 159 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $500 fine. The state will take in consideration 701690, 2023 CR 3993. There's to be restitution in 2023 CR 3992 and 2023 CR 3993. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, they're asking that you have no contact with Walmart. Did you understand those recommendations from the state? And the court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes.
Then to the office as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments. Objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we're just asking for the floor.
All right, Mr. Salazar, why do you not stop stealing?
I was in my phase of life where I was doing drugs, and these 5 months I actually found myself, and you won't see me in here again.
But no, you keep stealing. The reason why this is a state jail felony is because you've stolen 2 times before.
Yes,
So why do you keep stealing? Obviously, 2 things are going on. 1, you're not good at it because you keep getting caught, right?
yes, ma'am.
2, you have some issues that are going on in your life that is causing you to steal. If it's drugs, there are free places all over San Antonio for you to get help with your drug addictions. If it's something else, if it's, oh, I can't afford this, again, there are free places all over San Antonio to help you with that. If you don't have clothing, there's a free place for you to get clothing. If you don't have food, there's a free place for you to get food. So free clothing, free food, free help with your drug issue. So that eliminates your need to steal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
I have 8 children.
What are their ages?
They range from 7 to 24.
And you're not supporting them, are you?
No.
Do you plan on being a good father to them or not? Father's Day just passed.
Yes, I do.
And how are you going to do that? What's your plan when you get out of jail?
Get in contact with them first of all.
Well,
We'll get in contact. That's seriously get in contact.
you shouldn't be getting in contact with them first. The first thing you need to do when you get out of Bexar County Jail, because you have a drug issue, is go to a drug treatment facility and tell them you need help. You can't be addicted to drugs, living on the street or whatever you've been doing, and then all of a sudden just out of the blue pop up on your children's doorstep.
So I understand.
All right. You've got to now prove yourself to be worthy to be in their life. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Court will sentence you to 159 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to take into consideration 701690, 2023 CR 3993. There's to be restitution in 2023 CR 3992 and 2023 CR 3993. Counsel, did you want to address the no contact with Walmart?
I think he understands that you cannot have any contact with Walmart since the age.
All right. And they do have the super, I think they have the super HEB because some HEBs you go to, they sell clothing. And
Yeah.
I think the one on Bandera actually sells engagement rings. At least they did when I was in law school. So there's to be no contact with Walmart. What is Walmart's answer to Costco?
Sam's Club.
They didn't say
The
Sam's
poor man's
Club.
Costco.
So no contact with Walmart. Is there a dismissal to be tendered to me in
I
701690?
don't know if they, you want me to take that to file or do you want to have the church sign?
Should we email the prosecutors in that county court to do that?
I'll go with
All
that
right,
next.
thank you. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, off the record, what's up with the white rabbit tattoo?
Oh, I'm an ex-gang member.
Okay. Here's the thing. Some people say they're ex and they're really not. Do not be bringing that drama and trauma to your children's doorstep. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to write them a letter, maybe that may be appropriate. If you want to send them some child support money through the mail, that may be appropriate. But until you get your life in order, don't be bringing drama and trauma to their doorstep. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Court is calling 2023 CR 0168C, State of Texas versus Robert Alvarez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Yes, that's,
Second thing we called from last week. Yeah.
Judge Hank Wilkins for the state.
Douglas County, Mr. Alvarez.
all right. So the court asked that this be called back because I was given information by the defense and information in the PSI report. Mr. Alvarez, I normally don't, well, I do it, but in your case, I can do it. Your brother testified that you have drug issues, that you've been shot before. Just one moment. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Robert Alvarez.
All right. For Mr. Tristan Muros, do you have the keys to his garage?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
I'm sorry, what?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Where are they?
They were in the evidence in the vehicle.
So the police have the
Police should
keys?
have it then, Judge.
All right, because he wants the keys to his garage back. And state, can you make sure that he has those?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you have a choice. The state is asking that your punishment be assessed at a cap of 5 years. What that means is that the most time I could sentence you to prison would be 5 years. The range of punishment for this offense is up to 20 years in prison. You have a choice. I can give you deferred adjudication, and I will give you deferred adjudication for 8 years. You're going to go into inpatient treatment, or if you would like, I could just sentence you to 4 years. Which do you prefer? This is a problem if he has to think about it. Do you just want to go to prison and do your time?
I'll take the treatment.
Let me stop you right there. Your attorney wants you to take the treatment. This is what I always have to remind myself of, and other people need to remind themselves. You can't give somebody what they want, what you want for their life. You can't make them want that for themselves. It's like the song Harry Hippie. So the question is, do you want treatment? If you don't want it, there's no shame in saying you don't want it because maybe you're not prepared to do it, but it's going to be inpatient treatment. Your life is going to pass you by, whether you're in inpatient treatment or whether you're at the prison. The choice is yours. If you want to go to prison, I will send you to prison for 4 years. The state is asking for 5.
I'll take the treatment.
Okay. All right. Do you have children?
No.
I'm going to sentence you to 8 years deferred adjudication. A referral to felony drug court. If not accepted, then safe P. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. The UA hotline until further notice, and that's to be upon release. And he's to remain in custody until he's accepted in felony drug court or until he's transferred to safe P. 300 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
10th grade.
Why didn't you graduate?
I was worried about other things. I was being dumb.
What?
I was worried about a lot of other things, trying to get quick money. I was worried about dumb things.
Okay. I'm not going to waive the community service hours. He is going to be ordered to either obtain your GED or some sort of certificate from trade school. You need to start working and improving yourself. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want the MRT and CATS 1 and 2. Is there restitution in this case? There's going to be restitution because this case has been going on for a while, and I know that person had to probably replace their key. So restitution, if any, to Tristan Muros. I'm going to want field visits one time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything else you need in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You better start making better decisions in your life. Otherwise, you're looking at 20 years in the prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
The atmosphere is tense as Aaron David Salazar stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd, pleading no contest to felony theft. The plea bargain is clear: 159 days in jail, a fine, and restitution. But Judge Boyd doesn't move to sentencing immediately. She pauses, fixing the defendant with a gaze that demands accountability. She begins with a simple, powerful question. Mr. Salazar, why do you not stop stealing? His response is disjointed, referencing a favorite life of drug use and a vague promise that we won't see me here again. For Judge Boyd, this isn't good enough. She immediately destroys the premise of his answer by revealing the core issue. This is a state jail felony specifically because he has 2 prior theft convictions. He's not a first-time offender making a mistake. He's a repeat offender stuck in a cycle. Judge Boyd lays out the stark reality with surgical precision. Obviously, 1 or 2 things are going on, she states. 1, you're not good at it because you keep getting caught. 2, you have some issues that are going on in your life that is causing you to steal. She directly addresses his drug mention, not with sympathy for an excuse, but with a challenge. If it's drugs, there are free places all over San Antonio for you to get help with your drug addictions. Her tone makes it clear. His addiction explains, but does not excuse, the choices he made to steal repeatedly. Having dismantled his justification and highlighted the available paths he chose to ignore, Judge Boyd moves to the sentence. She imposes the agreed 159 days in the Behar County Jail, the $500 fine, and restitution. But she adds a crucial, concrete consequence for his pattern of targeting a specific victim: a lifetime ban from any contact with Walmart. This final order underscores the practical and lasting repercussions of his actions. Judge Boyd's handling of the case is a masterclass in holding defendants accountable, pushing past shallow excuses to confront the patterns of behavior, and delivering justice that is both by the book and profoundly personal.